We are here also for another inspection. Yesterday we were at OG, the bypass that leads to refinery and lead to those areas. And today we're here. There's something about these two projects. They have one common purpose: to assist our people to have another bypass because of the situation on the East-West Road. This particular one we are inspecting now is the old Bori Road. You can pass through this particular road, not bothering yourself with the situation on East-West Road, and it takes you down to Bori, or at least all the axis of One. You can bypass it. So you see, what we are trying to achieve is, while we await the federal government and what they are doing about the East-West Road, we're also trying to create alternative route for our people, so life can go on, business activity will not be slowed down. That is the purpose of these projects. You can see how important it is, not just to the people living here, but economically. It's a key project for us.
Some sections, very short sections, very critical sections. Yes. But he has promised that he can handle it for them. Yes, sir. This point I'm doing soil cement stabilization. Cement, sand, yes. They are fast. Very fast. Very fast. I'll try it. This place is the best section of the road. The back. Yes, the best section. Yes, the worst section. So it must cure the soil first. Well, that's what they have done now. So we filled more than 1 meters in sand depths. The drain is flowing now, but yes, yes. If you say it comes. By this mountain to help each other. Yeah, this is West Road Slope. Yes, people will enjoy this route. Okay. We still have some section in front, the market section. Okay, the market, not done that yet. All right. Yes, so we're doing the excavation and filling the sand now. Okay. And even the spur route. With same stabilization? Yes. Yes. So this stabilization won't fail this again? It will not fail, sir. It will not fail. After this, you put a stone base. Stone base. You try. Where do you have the trapezoidal? At the end. Okay, trapezoidal at the end. Yes, at the end. Okay, okay.
For updates.